Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to Breakout Trading. Today is Friday, October 30th. Unfortunately, the last trading day of the month, I am going to be red. Down 32.41 plus 1, 2, 3, 4 plus $4 in commissions, so it's like $36, $37. It's a pretty decent loss. I took it on MGI here. So this was gapping up. It looked pretty good on the daily. We had like this sort of flag pattern here with a big gap up, and I thought it would have a bit more continuation up to this 670 area. You can see that's pretty clear top out there. So that's where I was planning to take my profits in front of. But man, did we ever just lose our momentum pretty quickly. So this is kind of what got me interested. Mike from TTG called it out, and I looked at it, and it looked pretty good. It had it has a much bigger market cap and float though, so maybe that's why is that the volume just kind of couldn't really keep up with it. But anyways, this is the open here. So green line's VWAP, the gray line's the 9 EMA, and as you can see, it had a really strong open, and this line here is the previous day close. And it made a high up here at like 585-ish area, and I had this pivot low right here too at 536. So hit that, came back above VWAP, and this is when I started to scale in. About 25 shares there when it broke through the high of day at 586. I did that again today. There's just no follow through, man, on anything. It's so brutal. Like, upside follow through is completely dead. Like, look at this volume. It's so good. Obviously I should have bought in on the dip, but I wanted to see this thing start to make 585 support, and right here it still looked really good. We got the trade line VWAP cross. I added another 25 shares here at 571, so I was long 100 or 50 shares, and then I added one more tier here when we pulled back to VWAP, and we just crushed right through. And of course now it looks like a really terrible top here, double top here, and the red volume started to come in, and my risk was right here at 536, that pivot low. If you also look from the previous day close to the high, we're lining up with the 236. Oh my god, I have to fix my Fibonacci. I keep forgetting it's like wrong, but it's in the general area. Yeah, it lined up here with VWAP, so that's when I stopped adding. As you can kind of see, like, I did scale that down into a loser, yes, but it still looked good until it broke VWAP. At that point I stopped adding, and I just stopped out. It basically just magneted right to my my risk level, and I guess it's dumping now too. But if you look, the SPY is really selling off as well, and I guess that does not help anything. So that was MGI. I'm not happy at all with that. It's a pretty big loss, and that just sucks because I feel like I'm just treading water for, like, this whole month, and just win some, lose some, win some, lose some, win some, lose some, and it's pretty frustrating. But it's all good. I think that this is a pretty decent setup, and one of the things I wrote down in my notes is that I don't know what it is, but I have some sort of like mental block with going short, because one of the plays I wanted to do, oh my god, man, it's working so well, was damn it, was CSIQ short here after it broke this $37 area. I wanted to go short on this, and god damn, that would have worked so well today. But it is what it is. What's happening right now is BLRX is actually sort of squeezing right now, and if it can get over 260, I might take a stab at it, because I know that's where a lot of shorts are going to be covering their positions, because this thing looks like it wants to move up pretty good. Yeah, that looks pretty good, honestly. I might take a stab at this, possibly. It's right here. See this level here on the daily? It's like right here at this resistance level. So if we can get above this, I know that's where, if I was short, I'd have my stop losses right above here at around 260. So yeah, I think if we get to 260, we probably have room up to like $3. And 260 is the pre-market high right here. So that's pretty exciting. But just so this video is not like ages long, I will end it here, and if I make a trade on this, I will just make a new video, play this one first, and then add in the trade footage. No, this looks pretty effing good. It's right at daily resistance though, which sucks, but I feel like if we break through that, I'm not going to get another chance to enter. Oh. Okay guys, this is not good technique, but we're going to go for it. Stop loss 220. Let's risk fucking 30. We need to have a nice winner, boys. We need to have a nice winner. So I'm going to buy the washout on this. Any sort of big wash, I am a buyer. Preferably down to this 243 area-ish. Okay, we'll start with 50 shares there, and then we'll add another 50 right here at 243. Okay, there we go. Stop loss is 220. Stop loss is 220 on this. Come on, fill me. 243. That'd be sick if I got filled here. Come on. What the heck? How did that not fill me? It wicked down to me. Come on. Okay, let's just cancel this then. We'll just mark it ourselves in. Oh, there we go. Okay, we got filled. Okay, please don't fuck me. Please don't fuck me. Oh my god, I bought the top. Guys, I don't know what is going on recently. My execution is horrendous. Oh, please don't do that, man. Not today. Not today, man. Alright, you guys are gonna see it live. Going full freaking. Going a little bit tilt right here. If this thing gets over 260, I'm golden. I'm honestly fucking golden if it gets over 260. And I'm only gonna risk 30 bucks. Fuck it. I'm not gonna risk like a shitload. That's stupid. Risking $30. Worst case scenario today, I'm down like 65, 70 bucks. That fucking blows. But I think this thing could squeeze. It's got an 18 million share float and a 30 million share market cap. It does have news. It has this daily level where I think stops are going to want out. If it's above 260, they're going to want out. I'm sure of it. Can we get over 250? Alright, I'm actually going to end the video here. I might actually $28 or stops at our entry is I'm looking at this, by the way. So our entry here is at 247. Stop's going to be at 220 below VWAP. We're risking $28 because we have 100 shares, and our sell target is $3.28. I don't really know if it'll get that high. $3.28, and we'd make $84. So that would be cool. Wow. Okay, guys, I'm just gonna put my stop in, and no, I'm just gonna put a range order and just walk away. 3.28 is the high, and I'm risking 2.2. We'll go 2.19. Give ourselves 1 cent of freaking range. So 328. That's huge. 328. No, I'm gonna sell this thing at 291 if we get there. I'm not gonna hold it to fucking. And 219. All right, guys, there it is. There is our range order. 219 down here. God damn. Risking $28 in this trade. We bought the breakout. It probably will absolutely flush and we will get stopped out, but there's a small chance that it will rally. I'm going to go eat some breakfast and feed my dog. I'm just going to leave this range order here. I'm not going to stress about it. And I'll update this video after. Adios. Okay guys, so after not long it is most definitely squeezing. I'm not going to pike out like I usually do, but I am going to sell half of it on that rip. Holy shit. Okay, sick. So I got another 50 shares long still. Guys, I had to take some profit there. I had to. That's such a nice push. I still got 50 shares, so we're looking good. This thing is most definitely squeezing over 260 now, which is awesome. So that last sell there was at 274. This thing wants to squeeze. So I'm going to keep my 50 shares. I'm going to put a stop at 220 again. Holy shizer, yo, this thing's squeezing, boys. This is sick. Wow. Oh my god. Okay, hold the phone. Guys, I gotta scale out here. Okay, sold another 25 shares up there. Now we're just long 25 shares. Look at that move! Holy fuck! That's so sick! Okay, so if you look over at the okay, this is the daily chart here. So we broke through this level, and this is what I was saying in the previous video, that I knew a bunch of short sellers would have their stops right above 260 here, and now you're really seeing that. There is, though, major resistance at the whole number of $3, so I will not be holding any sort of position above $3. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is maybe just put a range order on the last bit. We'll go 2.93. Let's try and do that. And my stop loss I'll keep at 2.20. I want to make sure I don't get stopped out of this. Wow, look at that move. Okay, this is epic. The question is, should we add? The question is, should we fucking add? Okay, hold on. TTG is going to be freaking out. Okay, this is cool, guys. This is cool. We're still long 25 shares from 247. Look at that top tick. Boys, I sold that at 282. The high of day is 282. Fuck yeah. That was sick. Thanks. That was a good market fill. Thanks, Trade Zero. If this pulls back to like 260, I think I'm going to add. I'm going to add another 50 shares if it pulls back to 260. What a huge move. Wow. Look at this thing go. Look at this thing go. Okay, big pullback. I will add to my position on a big pullback. This thing looks really good. Okay, I don't want the video to be too long, so I'm just going to end it here, and I will play it again if I add or something happens. Okay, guys, not long after I ended the first video, this thing's absolutely ripping. I have an order out here for 2.95. Can we get filled at 2.95? Not quite. Come on. Guys, I might just take it here. My last sell was at 282. We're up at 290. 292, 294, 295. Should be filling me. Should be filling me. Took it there, boys. So we dug ourselves out of the hole on that epic trade. Hell yeah. Wow. Guys, look at that. Look at that squeeze. How epic is that? Right up there to that $3 area I was talking about. That's it for me. I got saved by the grace of this squeeze. I am still down today. Let's just see how much I am down. So unfortunately I am down because of commissions. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I'm down 1.60 minus 9. So I'm down 740 as we stand right now. Down 740. So that's not the best, but it's also not the worst. Wow, okay. Guys, that might be it. That might be it for me. It's up here at this $3 level. If we can get through $3, I will see, but where we stand now, I don't really want to long into this $3 level. See that very clear right here? So, yeah, I'm not too sure. I think that was a pretty sick move, and I shouldn't be greedy. Look at that. We lost 32 here, and we made 34 on that trade. So, obviously, I wish I never took that stupid MGI trade. But did we stop out at a good time? We did. So this thing looked great. It just really did not want to move. So we stopped out up here at 530. It's alright. Look at the volume. The volume's gone. Contrast that to BLRX where the volume is just pouring in. So, wow. That was a humongous move on this stock. I would consider buying the dip here at 260, but I'll play a video if I enter another position.